Thrifting ain't easy. I'm feeling creepy. Comping diapers on my eBay app.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
How are you?
Good, thanks.
That's pretty, isn't it? Probably maybe just a little old. I don't even get her to do the crayons yet. She wants to throw them and break them. There you go. Wasn't ready to catch it yet. Annabelle, here, baby. Annabelle. Yeah, come on.
How old is she?
She is 1.5.
1.5. Oh, you are such a pretty little girl. Yes, you are.
You ready? Come here. We gotta go this way. Come here. Go this way. I know you want to what? Yeah. I know you're going for more balls.
Go back to push it. Did you see the popper?
Oh yeah. No, you don't even go there. At Grandma's, no.
Oh.
Unless I let her take it home.
You guys know where she was.
I know.
This was last night.
Thank you.
That's old too. That was my kid.
I know. I used to give them to all the kids.
Yeah. You could always find the kids because they hear that popping sound, you know?
Yep, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, you do it. Two balls. Oh. Come on. I know. Look at the snowboard. Oh, I know. Aren't those good fun? Come on.
Do you think he had one when he fell there? Or when he couldn't get up?
I don't think so. We just got down. We were cleaning the bed.
Oh, I know my bed, under my bed. You can just set your stuff here.
Is it okay? Yep. Thank you so much.
We'll get a pair of scissors and cut those screens off. That help?
But then we'll need tape. Tape them, or you'll just need a trash can so we can throw them away.
The trash can's right behind you.
Okay. I'm not going to take this off. If you want to just write them down, maybe. I don't know if that's easier. Like $1 for my mom.
Okay.
Another $1. Another $1.
For her,
Yes.
that'd be $3 total so
Yes.
far.
And then another $1 for her.
Okay.
And then $1 for me.
Okay. Those little free things we're not going to even charge you for.
Oh, well,
How
awesome.
about that?
I appreciate that.
I'll just stick them in your bag. Is that okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna keep looking in here real quick. Few more things here.
Okay.
Oh, yes, you should.
I'm gonna buy these because I broke one.
Oh, okay. Oh, one broke.
Yeah, so.
You want me to just throw that one away?
Sure, yeah, that'd be great.
Put those in here, or are you still doing them?
I've got them all marked. Okay, these
So,
are all marked.
you got this one
I
done?
got that one.
Okay.
$5.
Okay.
That was your mother's, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
21.
Did you get those too? Did I just lay down? Okay.
I got that one.
You said 21 and what?
21.50.
21.50. There you go. Don't worry about the quarters.
Well, thank you.
In here. I'll get you.
If you want, you could put like a new tag on those and sell it as a set of two. I really don't need them. I just bought it because I broke one.
Oh.
But she threw the other one away.
Oh.
So
Well, you're welcome to take it.
I don't need them at all. So
You want $2? You
Huh?
buy the two for $2?
I already bought them, but but it was a set of three.
For him, but he
but
said
I
he
broke
didn't
one.
really want them
Oh.
since he broke.
I just felt bad because I broke it.
Oh,
Thank you.
All right.
thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day.
coming.
All right. Thank you.
Tell people that.
Will do. That's why I don't deal with glassware, folks. I am too clumsy. Alright guys, we are back in the garage. Nothing too spectacular about that garage sale. Probably wouldn't normally even make a video about it, but didn't spend a lot and it should be a decent return. Plus I broke something, so I figured, hey, there's a title right there. Real quick before I show you what I picked up, I do want to mention that I've gotten a lot of people asking me lately to link my eBay store. And that's something I've never really done before. So I finally decided that it would be a good idea just to create a new eBay store. So I took one of my old accounts, just a nice seasoned account. It's about 14 years old, I think, 13 years old. Hadn't used it for a couple years, but I'm going to make that my primary eBay store, and I'm going to start linking it in the description for all the people that have asked about it. Not too much there yet, but I am going to work on it every day. I'm going to probably run a lot of auctions and stuff on it. Not really done auctions for a long time, so that'll be kind of fun. And like all the jewelry lots that I'm going to do, they're going to go on that eBay store and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that sort of thing and you've been asking for it, just check out the description below because it'll be linked there. All right, so let's take a look at this tiny little haul, and I'll show you what I picked up to resell. Again, not too much into this stuff at all. If I hadn't broken the glass, it would have been under 20 bucks. But we'll go ahead and start over here. Just thought that was kind of funny. It's an old handheld shower attachment thing, probably, let's see, made in the USA. I don't see a year on here. I'm guessing like 80s or something. These kind of weird things usually do pretty well for me, so I paid 50 cents for it. I'll probably try to list it for 25 plus shipping. Grabbed a little stack of 45s. If this part right here wasn't broken, this little 45 tote would probably get our money back, maybe a little bit more. But it is broken. Still, I paid $3 for everything, and there's a nice little stack of 45s there. When 45s are cheap, they're a no-brainer because you just kind of do a quick search on them, pull out the ones that are worth more than 10 bucks, and then lot the rest up. So that's what I'll do there. The jewelry was pretty cheap, but there wasn't a lot of nice stuff. I grabbed this one because I kind of like these old Made in USA compacts. There were 2 of them in this little tub. Plus, I kind of like the comb. This old comb has a nice look to it. So I think I paid like 50 cents for that whole thing there. Kind of thought the carved butterfly had a nice look to it. A nice old American flag patch. Definitely has some age on it. A few of these things were in the free bin, so I went ahead and grabbed that. A 1992 Barcelona Olympics Pin. Thought this was kind of cool. It's a little World's Fair spinner charm. Made in the USA. Still has the backing on it. Again, this stuff isn't worth very much money, but it didn't cost very much money either. All this stuff was in the free bin, these little pins. So is this Baseball Hall of Fame Cooperstown, New York pin. Couple cute little art tone mini Toby mugs. Thought the little skunk family was kind of cute. Made in Hong Kong little miniatures. Daddy, mommy, baby. Little brass bunny. I always like to pick up these little brass figures because sometimes they do pretty well. Little ceramic hounds. I think this is a little Yorkie dog. I kind of liked it. I liked how all the paint was peeling off of it. Little John Deere tractor. I think that was probably a bank giveaway or something. Little Good Luck Trunks Up elephant. Cute little salt and pepper shakers. Little chicks. Old made in Japan stuff. I think I paid $5 for this Buddy L Coca-Cola truck. Probably not worth more than that because it only has one case of the Cokes on the back, but the rest of the truck was just in really good condition. Windows aren't cracked, not a lot of rust on it, so I went ahead and paid up a little bit for it. Probably the best thing I bought was this vintage 90s Jansport fanny pack made in the USA. These, believe it or not, are pretty good, especially when you can find the ones with like the crazy colors, like the purples and the oranges and the pinks and those just kind of gnarly 90s colors. This one's pretty plain, but just being a Jansport and being a fanny pack, I think I paid $1 for this, and I'm gonna list it for like 30 bucks plus shipping, and I think it'll sell for that. So that was definitely my favorite find of the day there. The rest of this stuff, just like little no big deal stuff, but I was there and it was cute, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so that's all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the video, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye.
When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.